This video is about the Spin Rewriter app and how to use it to create new unique text for your blog post, for example. Let's start from the basics. What is article or text spinning? Spinning an article means creating a new article so that the end result means the same thing as the original text. This can involve using synonyms for words, changing sentence structures and other things. The main purpose of article spinning is to create unique text for blogs and videos, for example, quickly and easily. The text needs to be unique because Google and other search engines will value the text and potentially rank the site highly in their search results. If Google discovers that the content of an article has been copied from another source, such a site will not be valued by Google at all, and the article may never even be indexed by Google. To solve this problem of being able to quickly and easily create unique text, various programs have been around for years, commonly known as article rewriters or article spinners. Unfortunately, the problem has been that many programs produce unnatural text that can be difficult to understand. Fortunately, with advances in technology, good software has emerged that can create natural and unique text from the original text. Spin Rewriter is probably the best program that can create natural and unique text from original text. Here is an example of a paragraph created with Spin Rewriter. The original text. Majorca is a gorgeous Mediterranean island with beautiful weather, stunning scenery, and delicious cuisine. Majorca is part of Spain but has a more rugged landscape and otherworldly quality. Rocky mountains and lush wooded hillsides fall steeply down to the sea. The spun text. Majorca is a stunning Mediterranean island with attractive weather, stunning surrounding and delicious food. Majorca belongs to Spain, but its landscapes are much tougher and insurmountable. Rocky hills and lush wooded slopes descend to the sea. As you can see, the same things are presented in different words. Of course, it can happen that a short sentence is exactly the same as in the original text, but this is fine if the rest of the text of the article is unique enough. Now let's spin a short article on Spin Rewriter and go through the settings. Spin Rewriter is a great article spinner, but it doesn't work best if the text to be rewritten is too long. Long text should be entered in chunks for rewriting. For example, paragraphs of 200 to 300 words work well in the program. Text that is too long is often confusing and difficult to handle. The settings. You can try different settings for sentences and paragraphs, but I currently use the settings with all options set to off. This is because I noticed in the past that the more different options I had set to on, the more confusing the text became. If you do not want certain words or terms to be changed to synonyms, this can be set under words and phrases, protected keywords. Let's create a spun text from the original text with Spin Rewriter. As I said earlier, if your article is long, say 2,000 words, it's a good idea to break it down into smaller sections and spin one section at a time with Spin Rewriter. Once a new text has been created, you can change the settings regarding, for example, text formatting. Personally, I use the following settings. Once the program has created the text, it's good to check that the text is unique enough. There are many online plagiarism checkers for this, most famously Copyscape. Unfortunately, Copyscape only allows you to check a few pages free of charge. Fortunately, Grammarly offers a free and fast check for plagiarism. That is, once you have created a short spun text with Spin Rewriter, you copy the text to Plagiarism Checker by Grammarly, after which the program will probably say, "No plagiarism found." However, if the checker reports plagiarism found, go back to Spin Rewriter and create a new article by clicking on Generate another unique article, and copy this new text into Grammarly. Very rarely after 2 to 3 times Grammarly will find a text that is too similar to the text you entered. Once you've gone through the whole long text in this way, which takes only a few minutes at best, you put the pieces together and have a unique article to publish. I hope this video was helpful. You can find links to Spin Rewriter, Grammarly's plagiarism checker and Copyscape below this video in the video description.